I am Thomas Oni of DCA AK Batch 3. Today I am here to introduce or present a presentation on the topic Introduction to Management. So let's move to the presentation. So firstly we talk about what is management. So definition of the management is management refer to the process of coordinating and overseeing the activity of an organization to achieve its goals effectively and efficiently. It means management means doing work in a group or manage the group with a well-defined manner to achieve an organizational goal. So key elements of management are planning, organizing, starting, directing and controlling. So let's start with planning. Planning means setting objective and determining a course of action, deciding in advance. So basically we do the planning in advance to achieve the goals, what to do and how to do. It is the technical process of the management. Second is organizing, allocating resources, assigning duty and responsibility. In this process, the manager should allocate resources and assign the duties according to the employees' skills and knowledge. Third one is staffing, selecting right person for the right job at the right time. It means staffing means assigning the right thing to the right person to whom they do the work effectively and efficiently to achieve the organizational goal. Fourth one is directing, guiding and motivating employees. The basic function of a manager is to be a best director to the employees who can guide and motivate the employees as they requires. Fifth one is controlling, finding out a deviation and taking corrective action. It means if something is getting wrong or something is not working properly, the manager should take the corrective action to make it worthy. Then move to the next slide. The next slide is the importance of management. As we see, first one is helping in achieving organizational goals. It is the basic function of management. Second one is improve efficiency and productivity. It means do the regular things to do it productivity, means using less cost but effectively. Third one is help in the development of society. Basically, management helps to provide employees employment. It means it provides a development to the society. Fourth one is it creates a dynamic environment. Means whether it is changing day by day or something is affecting the planning, then manage to management take the different decisions to make it clear. Is improve efficiency and productivity. It means do the regular things to do it productivity, means using less cost but effectively. Third one is help in the development of society. Basically, management helps to provide employees employment. It means it provides a development to the society. Fourth one is it creates a dynamic environment. Means whether it is changing day by day or something is affecting the planning, then manage to management take the different decisions to make it clear or according to the dynamic environment, changing environment. Fifth one is helping in achieving personal objectives. It means providing the employees the best comfort zone or giving them bonus. It is a part of the personal objectives. Then let's move to the second slide. Levels of management. There are 3 levels of management: top level management, middle level management and lower level of management. This is the first line manager. In top level management, we include CEO, CFO, COO who take the strategic plannings, long-term goals and overall direction to the organization. Second one is middle management. It requires department heads, regional managers, and the role of the middle management is implementing strategic coordinating between tops and the lower level management. Third one is first line manager, in which we supervise team leaders at the lower level. Then move to the second side, function of management. Basically, it has many functions, but I take it four. The main functions of the management: first is planning, organizing, third one is leading, and the fourth one is staffing. Let me clear that. You know, management is the critical process to the success of any organization. Effectively managed combine planning, organizing, leading and controlling. As business involved manager must adapt their approaches. That's all. Thank you.